Welcome back to Little Bit Saga's kitchen. Today we're going to make apple margarita jello shots. I'm going to also show that those can be put in a cup and just served with a pretty spoon. Okay? What we're going to do first, if you're going to use a margarita glass, go ahead and rub your rim with a lime, let it dry slightly, and then dip it into your coarse salt and set it aside. Your other little cups you're going to be using for your jello shots, we won't have to worry about that. Although it would be nice right before you put these out on a tray from your fridge, just sprinkle a little tiny bit of salt on top. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I've taken an apple, cut it into tiny little pieces, and it's just easier to eat this way, you know, after you make your margarita jello. And then after I cut them, I squeezed a lime over them and just put them aside so I could get that done ahead of time. So I'm going to put a little bit into my glass, also a little bit into each cup for your shooters. Close out a little bit. Okay, so in my large measuring cup, this is a 4-cup measure, I'm going to mix my Margaritaville gelatin. I get this at Walmart. I'm going to mix this box, they only make it in this size, so it's this box, with 1 cup of boiling water. I've already done that, and it's kind of a little bit warmer than room temperature right now. Still very liquid, not firmed up at all. Okay, so we're going to add that to our large measuring cup. And to that, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of ice water. A 1/4 cup of tequila. A 1/4 cup of triple sec. Mix that slightly. We're going to pour it into that over here, into our cup. And pour a little in each one of our shooter cups. You can make as many of these as you want. Depends on how much jello mixture you have. This is all I'm going to do today. I do have enough for maybe 2 more. But if you're going to make your margarita glasses with the jello mixture, it will probably make 3. You'll have to test it out. Now I didn't fill this very high, but I think it's a good level to look like a real margarita. Looks like it has the margarita in it, and the apple kind of looks like ice. And then you have your salt on your rim, and I think that'll look really good after a barbecue or just sit in the evening out on your patio. Okay, we are going to get these into our fridge, and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. Our apple margarita jello shots are doing really good. Look how pretty they look. The apple kind of looks like you have some crunchy ice in there. Everything looks cool and refreshing. And then the one we put into the cup, see how it looks? Doesn't that look pretty? If you're sitting out on your porch and it's a really warm day, nice. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and put these over onto our splatter there. Okay, now to pretty them up a little bit, what do you think? Maybe a little apple slice, because it is an apple margarita. And maybe let's just float one of these right on top. What do you think? Okay, and our little shots, at least before the people get their hands on them, we can make them look pretty. Whoop, that one's not going to work. Okay, maybe our lime. Try different ways. I'll have to cut a new one for that. But anyway, there you have it. Our Margarita Jello shots, and then our pretty margarita glass. I think that just looks so pretty and refreshing. Served with a nice spoon, and just sit and relax with it and enjoy it. All right, we are off to the table outside. Just remember, with everything you make in your kitchen, make it fun and easy. Hope you like these.